What's up, YouTube? I'm Ryan,
And I'm Brian.
and we are the
Davis twins.
and we are about to cook pork chop for you guys.
Sorry about that water if y'all can't hear us, but
Yeah, he made his dry rub.
if y'all want to know the ingredients, comment down below, and I'll tell you what the ingredients of the dry rub is. But I got my pork chop right here.
Put it in the. He putting it in the dry rub, as y'all can see. As y'all can see.
You make a mess, man, you'll have a towel. You'll be all right. You can always clean it up afterwards. That's the hardest part, to clean up. It's easy to make.
For now we just making one.
Well, we just gonna make one for y'all to show how we make it, because it's still thawing out to make me and him some more to eat tonight. But
We'll have to cover that up or something.
yeah, okay.
Then some of the ingredients he used. But if you want to know what the ingredients were, yeah. All right. He put it. Oh, feet. Chill. Gotta be careful.
You turned it off.
Yeah, I wanted to burn out. Alright, there we go. Alright, I'm gonna put that on top on.
Yep.
That's one. And he gotta make one for me or either him. We gotta get one more. And
We're gonna make.
let me show y'all. It's trying out. What number you wanna put it on? What number?
Put it on 6.
6. Alright.
What we gonna do to that because the package messed up. You can't just sit it back out the door.
Put it in the bag, can't you? We'll see. I got the phone. All right, y'all. Okay. Let me set this up right here and wash my hands real quick.
Don't get no flour on his phone.
But yeah, man, we lit right now, bro. We letting the rest on thaw. Yeah. All right. I got the bag for it. All right.
Wanna put that in there with it? What? The onion.
Yeah. We're gonna put some onion in there, y'all. I'm cutting out the onion right now. Comment below. Oh, I can't even talk, y'all. Comment down below if you like onion game. If you like cooked onion, if you like raw onion, comment down below. I'm a fan of more of cooked onion than raw. I'm a fan of cooked onion too, but I like me some raw onion. I can eat I don't eat raw onion.
I can eat raw onion. I can just cut an onion and eat it.
No, I can't eat onion like that, but if it's cooked and got like that caramelized, I'll eat it. But hey, if y'all want to know some more things like that different between us, comment down below with like some questions about twins. We'll let y'all know some things about it. But we putting the onions in there. Hey, y'all can get something.
Last up.
What do you with this? Flip it, right? That's good.
Okay.
We can crank up the knowledge. Put it up.
Okay, y'all.
I'm gonna have to flip that. Let me see, can I get it one off? No. Okay.
Got another one though. Got another one right here, y'all.
Dry rub it. Make sure you dry rub it good, y'all. Y'all want it all over it. Y'all want that flavors of the seasonings I use and the flour. Y'all gonna really want to taste that. So what it give me the top of this. Y'all really gonna taste that. That's gonna hurt. Where you get this from again? We like to clean up.
Yeah, that's the hard part. Like I said, y'all, cleaning up.
What is one? What is one?
It was in the refrigerator. We'll leave it out for right now. Okay.
Did you put mine? The other one in?
Yeah, we got both of them going, y'all. My hand, I thought I washed my hand good. Alright. All that dry rub. Okay. Y'all comment down below what y'all want us to do next. Turn the water off. What y'all want us to do next, man? Just comment down below, bro. Like, we just basically making pork chop, but we make a bomb pork chop. We put onions inside the pot with when you know we put the grease inside the bowl. We put onions inside so it can saute, like fry with it. What we put it up in the top? Yeah, put it at the top. Yeah. Now it's frozen again. Alright, YouTube. Oh, it's really cooking now. It's really cooking now. Yeah. And for those of you that didn't know, we and him just had our 27th birthday. If he didn't tell y'all, if he did, I don't remember, but we turned 27. We gonna cook on the Mars that, so we put him in the bottle. Yeah. Alright. He said my mom said our mom gonna said we're gonna cook the rest of the pork chops tomorrow, so we just put them in a plastic bag and put them in the refrigerator for the night. But like I was saying, it was our birthday. We enjoyed it. Hey, I want to show y'all something. This is birthday cake. Happy birthday. It say happy 27th birthday. It said that, Ryan. It said Ryan, my name. And happy 27th birthday, Brian, my name. Yeah. So it basically had two different cakes for each other. Hey, you gotta check your hair been on one side. I'll flip them in a minute. But hey, I think that's gonna be it for this video, man. Like, we just want to show y'all us cooking. Y'all spend time with us, man. Y'all comment, like, subscribe, and favorite us on everything. Like us on everything. Whatever you want to do, man. Stay lit.
And if you want to see, the finished product, follow me on Instagram at, I think it's David Ryan Marcus, and then my Facebook, which is, I think it's Ryan. Well, if you want to just see it, come down below and I'll give you one of my socials. You can follow me on. You can see. Comment below if you want our socials. See all the food that I post. Basically saying comment below if you want our socials, so you can see the finished product. We're probably gonna take pictures afterwards. But it's been a pleasure being here with y'all right now. Yeah. I'm your boy Brian. I'm your boy Ryan. And we are the David Twins. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.